What comes to mind when picturing ancient Egypt? Perhaps endless stretches of golden desert under a blazing sun? Certainly, Egypt has long been synonymous with a landscape of endless dunes, punctuated by the life-giving Nile River. This mighty river, the longest in the world, has been the lifeblood of Egypt, a ribbon of fertility weaving through the heart of an otherwise inhospitable desert. The Nile Valley and Delta, with their rich alluvial soils, fostered one of the world's most enduring civilizations, testament to the tenacity of life in this arid land. For millennia, we've accepted this as the unchanging backdrop of Egypt's history, a land where the sun reigns supreme, where rainfall is scarce, and where the desert has always been the canvas upon which the drama of history unfolds. The very thought of a different climate in this region seems, at first glance, preposterous. Yet, as we delve deeper into the annals of time, we encounter an enigma, a climate conundrum that challenges our very understanding of Egypt's past. Beneath the layers of sand and time, a different narrative begins to emerge, one that paints a startlingly different portrait of this ancient land. In the heart of the desert, a secret cave has been discovered, a time capsule that hints at a verdant past. Here, preserved in the dry desert air, lie fossilized remnants of plants and animals, whispers of a time when Egypt was not a desert but a lush, green paradise. This intriguing evidence, coupled with geological formations that suggest a much wetter climate, has set the scientific community abuzz, prompting a re-evaluation of what we thought we knew about Egypt's climatic history. Indeed, the sands of Egypt are shifting, revealing a mystery that is as intriguing as it is profound. We are on the cusp of a groundbreaking revelation, one that might just turn our understanding of this ancient land on its head. However, what if we told you that ancient Egypt was once a lush, green jungle? As we journey together into the heart of this climate mystery, prepare to have your preconceptions challenged, your curiosity piqued, and your understanding of Egypt's past forever changed. In a remote location, a secret cave was discovered, holding clues that would shatter our understanding of Egypt's ancient climate. A cavern, hidden for millennia, has now emerged from the shadows, offering a window into an era long forgotten. The cave was stumbled upon, by chance, a silent sentinel, its secrets shrouded in the dust of ages. As explorers ventured into its depths, they were met with a sight that defied expectations. Not gold, not hieroglyphs, but something far more intriguing: fossilized plants and animal remains. But these were no desert dwellers. These were the relics of a lush green landscape, a far cry from the arid sands we associate with Egypt today. Imagine a verdant Egypt, teeming with life. The air, thick and humid, resonates with the calls of exotic birds. Thick foliage rustles as creatures, both large and small, navigate the undergrowth. Mighty rivers, not just the Nile, crisscross the land, their waters teeming with fish and other aquatic life. This is not the Egypt of our textbooks. This is an Egypt reborn from the echoes of the past. But how is this possible? The fossilized plants were of species that thrived in humid, tropical conditions. The animal remains, too, belonged to creatures that would have been more at home in a rainforest than a desert. And then there were the geological formations, layers of sediment that hinted at a time when rain was a frequent visitor to these lands. These discoveries have turned our understanding on its head. They challenged the long-held belief of Egypt as a desert civilization, suggesting instead a past where Egypt was a lush, green oasis. This is not just a story of a land and its past, but also a tale of transformation, of how nature can reshape itself over the span of thousands of years. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, and a reminder that our world is always changing, always evolving. What could these relics of a greener past tell us about ancient Egypt? Only time and further exploration will tell. The fossilized remains found in the cave were not just curiosities, they were keys to unlocking a long-lost past. So, how do these relics of antiquity help us decipher the secret language of history? The fossils, those silent witnesses of a bygone era, speak volumes when held under the microscope of scientific scrutiny. For instance, the fossilized plants found in the cave are not the desert flora we associate with Egypt today. Instead, they belong to species that thrive in a much wetter, warmer climate, suggesting that the region was once a lush, green oasis rather than a barren desert. But the clues don't stop there. The cave also held the fossilized remains of animals that would have been out of place in a desert environment. These included species that today are found in regions with ample vegetation and water, further corroborating the theory of a greener past. Now, let's turn our attention to the geological formations found within the cave. These formations, shaped by the forces of nature over millennia, paint a picture of a landscape shaped not by sand and wind, but by water and vegetation. The presence of certain minerals and the patterns of erosion point to a time when the area was subjected to regular rainfall, a stark contrast to the arid conditions we see today. So what does this all mean? The fossils, the geological formations, they all point towards one conclusion. Egypt's climate was vastly different in the ancient past. It was a place of greenery, of life, of biodiversity, a far cry from the sun-baked desert we know today. But this is not just about rewriting the history of a single region. It is about understanding the global climate patterns of our planet, about the cyclical nature of ecosystems, and about the resilience and adaptability of life itself. These clues were pieces of a puzzle, revealing a picture of Egypt that was once thought unimaginable. The discovery of a greener ancient Egypt isn't just a revelation for historians and archaeologists, it's a wake-up call for everyone. This discovery is akin to stumbling upon a hidden time capsule, one that carries implications far beyond just redefining Egypt's past. It's a thread that weaves itself into the larger tapestry of Earth's history, reshaping our understanding of climate change, ancient ecosystems, and human history. Consider this. Egypt, a land we've long associated with arid desert landscapes and monumental pyramids, was once teeming with sprawling forests and diverse wildlife. This revelation extends an invitation to revisit our understanding of climate patterns. It's a stark reminder of the Earth's ability to undergo drastic climatic shifts over millennia, a phenomenon we're witnessing today with increasing concern. Moreover, this discovery is a gateway into understanding ancient ecosystems. The fossilized plants and animal remains are like puzzle pieces, offering insights into the biodiversity that once flourished in this region. These findings challenge our preconceived notions of what life might have looked like in what's now a desert. And let's not forget the human angle. Ancient Egyptians built a civilization that stood the test of time in what we've always believed was a harsh, unforgiving desert. But if that desert was once a lush jungle, how did that influence their way of life? Did it shape their culture, their beliefs, their survival strategies? It's a tantalizing question that could rewrite chapters of human history. The relevance of this discovery, however, isn't confined to the pages of history or the annals of science. It's a story that resonates with our present and echoes into our future. It underscores the importance of preserving our environment and the intricate balance of our ecosystems. It's a testament to the Earth's resilience, but also a reminder of its vulnerability. This discovery has opened a new chapter in our understanding of the Earth's past and perhaps its future. With a new perspective on Egypt's climate history, what does this mean for our understanding of human and environmental history in North Africa? As we step into the future, we do so with an eye firmly on the past, a past that is greener, wilder, and more diverse than we ever imagined. This groundbreaking discovery opens up a world of possibilities for future research. Imagine archaeologists and climatologists working hand in hand, peeling back the layers of time to reveal a history that is as captivating as it is enlightening. The fossilized plants and animal remains are like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle that, when put together, paint a picture of an era long gone, but not forgotten. The significance of this geological and botanical evidence cannot be overstated. It challenges our preconceived notions and expands our knowledge, pushing us to rethink what we thought we knew about Egypt's climate history. It is a testament to the fact that the Earth and its climates are not static, but dynamic and ever-changing. Moreover, this finding has the potential to reshape our understanding of history. We may need to rewrite textbooks, revise theories, and reconfigure our mental maps. It may even change how we perceive the rise and fall of ancient civilizations. Did the shift from a lush green landscape to a harsh, arid desert influence the development of Egyptian society? How did it affect their survival, their culture, their way of life? The possibilities are endless. The answers to these questions hold the keys to understanding not just the history of North Africa, but also the nature of climate change and its impact on human civilizations. We stand on the brink of a new era of discovery, a time when the past informs the future, and the future is shaped by the past. As we delve deeper into Egypt's green past, we are reminded that our planet's history is full of surprises, and it is our task to uncover them.